In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram photos not showing on your Android gallery. First, open Telegram and go to Settings. Then tap Data and Storage. Under the Save to Gallery section, turn on the options for private chats, groups, and channels. This allows Telegram to automatically save media to your gallery. Next, check Telegram's permissions. Long press the Telegram app icon and tap App Info. Then select Permissions. And make sure photos and videos or storage is set to allowed. If a specific photo still isn't showing, open the photo in Telegram, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Save to Gallery. You can also check Telegram's media folder directly. Open your phone's file manager and go to internal storage, then Android, then media, then org.telegram.messenger. Inside the Telegram folder, you will find your downloaded photos, videos, and other files. That's it. Your Telegram photos should now appear in your gallery properly. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.